Hello again. Got an update for y'all. Said I'd do an unboxing of the Woodstove once I got it, and it finally came today. Thanks to our wonderful president and his steel tariff, it took over 5 weeks to get this. Granted, it was coming from Eastern Canada, but still, 5 weeks is a long time. So, yes, this is the Woodstove in this box. That's kind of as a, yeah, I'll put this over here. It's kind of as a size reference there. But, oh, I hate styrofoam. Lots and lots of good old petroleum-based packing material. And there she be. Again, for reference, 5-gallon bucket, Woodstove. Got a knife here somewhere. So these are rated 4,000 to 6,000 BTU, or enough for 200 to 400 square feet. So there she be, all brassy glory. Nice little sight window there. Oh. I'll have fun with that later. Now, can you see that in there? I guess you can. Little white boards in here. These are ceramic boards. Help retain some heat. Got some nice brass feet here. I thought there'd be bolts in here. So, yeah. So it's nice and pretty. Regular price is $359, I think. But I picked it up for 33% off, so it was just under I think it was $299 US for the stove. So yeah, here's a pretty little stove. But that's not all. Oh, this is heavy. I think this weighs as much as this Woodstove does. Item number 2. Ooh, goody. More bubbles. Installation instructions. Okay. This is in pieces. This is called a wall plate. This allows me to forego the space requirements for wood stoves. Without this, I would have to mount it 20 inches from, well, pretty much everything. And because I have this wall plate, I can actually mount this directly to a wall. I love toys. But very pretty stainless steel, and the wood stove actually mounts right about there. So we'll hold my legs there. We'll try and. So you got the wall plate, and then the legs bolt to this as well, so it's hanging on the wall. It's hanging on the feet, all stainless steel. $150 US. But my legs do not want to cooperate. Okay. But adjustable shield for the, which is upside down. Yeah, sounds like that. Stovepipe comes up here, goes outside. Interesting. And lastly, I already unboxed this. This is the first item I got. But, yay, it's snowing. I'm not going to stuff it on there, but there's protective film on here to protect the stainless steel, keep it nice and polished. I have one more of these coming, and a toolkit that goes with the smaller stove. So it's a small shovel and a small little clampy thingy. I don't know what they're called, but they're for moving the logs around inside, and a poker. And they're all tiny. So I just ordered those yesterday, so they won't be in until Monday. But all told, both pipes, the wood stove, the mount, and the toolkit came out to right around $700. That's the sale price, the 33% off. Everything having to do with cubic mini stoves is 33% off. So cubicministoves.ca is the website you need to go to. I'll try to put that in the description, put a link in the description, so if you want to take a look, you can. But since I only have 140 square feet that I'll be heating, this will cook me out. So there it is, and once it's installed, he's going to look pretty. So, y'all have a great day.